Hello viewers, I hope all of you are fine. Let us discuss what is basically error and what are its types. Error is basically the difference between measured and actual value of a particular quantity. For example, if you measured a particular value and your result is 9.9 centimeter while the actual value is 10 centimeter. So as we already defined, it is the difference between measured and actual value. So subtract your measured value from actual value. So 10 minus 9.9, for example, it is equal to zero point 0.1 centimeter. So this is the possible error. Now, what are the types of error? Error may be or of different types. So for example, it may be systematic, while systematic is further divided into two categories. Systematic error may be instrumental error or it may be personal error, while there is also another type of error which is random error. So similarly, if you further categorize error, then we can also say that error may be of another type, and that is least count error. Least count error. So we already defined what is error. It is the difference between measured and actual value, but this error maybe arises due to the systematic or the error in a system. So error in a system may be instrumental or personal error. Instrumental error means the error in instrument. It may be due to the poor design of instrument or maybe due to the positive zero error, negative zero error, as we already learned in case of vernier caliper and screw gauge, that there is maybe positive or negative zero error. So this is maybe the poor calibration of instrument or maybe due to the positive negative zero error. So this type of error is called instrumental error, and it may be corrected accordingly with a particular rules which is different for a different instrument. Now the error may also be personal. What is personal error? Personal error arises due to the individual person. Means, for example, if a particular person have or if he possesses improper knowledge or he don't have capability to do a particular experiment because of his inexperience or lack of knowledge, then error arises because of that person. So this is basically called personal error, and this personal error may be arises due to his carelessness. So personal error arises because of that particular person which is not well trained or who is careless. So systematic error may be instrumental or personal. Now error may also be random error. What is random error? It is basically that type of error which occur irregularly. Means, for example, a particular person repeated the same experiment uh, so many times and he get different results of the same experiment. So this is called random error. And what is the reason of random error? It is maybe due to the humidity, temperature, wind that is, for example, or breeze that is continuously blowing there. So it means that this type of error may arise due to the environmental conditions. There is also another type of error which is called least count error. As you people know very well that least count means least possible measurement. So for example, if you perform a particular experiment and that particular apparatus cannot capable to calculate for you a very small value and you measure that particular value with that instrument, so least count error arises. How we can minimize the least count error? By using a high resolving power instrument. That kind of instrument which is more precise, least count error may be reduced as a result of that. So high resolution instrument can improve experimental uh, techniques. Thanks for your time. I hope you like this video. Subscribe this channel for upcoming interesting videos related to nature, science, history, physics. Thanks once again for your time.